Hello guys, welcome to LimitlessCoder. Today I'm going to say about TestNG framework. Why we are using TestNG in Selenium Automation? TestNG is highly used in Selenium Automation for several reasons, each contributing to enhancing the efficiency, reliability, and scalability of testing automation frameworks. Okay. There's some other points to apply TestNG framework in Selenium Automation. We are going to go to it. Annotations and flexible text generations. Okay. Here you are going to see about the class something new in the test framework. This is the normal framework we are using in Selenium Automation test application by using this framework. So there are some other points or some other codes which have been in the test automation efforts of this TestNG framework. Okay, first of all, annotations and flexible test configurations. It is nothing but to allow the testers to easily configure the test behavior such as setup and tear down priority and grouping. Here the priority and the grouping which we are given in the annotations of before suite and after suite, and before class and after class, and before method and after method, before test and after test, and the test animation here. And in this we have it will be there is a prioritization and parameterizations between these annotations, because it will be run first and it will be run second, then it will be run third, and it will be run fourth. Okay, it will parameterized sometimes and it will be changed by these annotations. Today we are going to see how to install the TestNG framework in Automation Selenium, and how to use the TestNG classes, TestNG annotations in the framework of Selenium Automation. Okay, first of all, why we are using TestNG in the Selenium Automation? Because it is easy to use for reporting and logging. TestNG offers a comprehensive reporting capabilities, generating detailed test reports that include the pass and fail status, the execution time, error messages, and stack traces. These important features that have been held in TestNG framework. So these reports provide a valuable insight to test results and enabling testers to identify the issues promptly and make the informed decisions. Additionally, TestNG supports custom logging mechanism, allowing testers to capture and analyze the test execution logs for troubleshooting and analyze purposes. Okay, first of all, we are going to see how to install the TestNG first. Here we are having the help button, then we are going to Eclipse Marketplace. Once it was loaded, it will open some it will pop up some window which is Eclipse Marketplace. Here they are going to search about TestNG for Selenium. After we are searching this TestNG Selenium, we are going to install it. After installing, we are going to do the two different types of dependencies we are going to add into the project explorer. So now we are going to see about here there is a find button, and we are going to find TestNG and then search. We are getting this TestNG for Eclipse. It was in the first one. Okay, then we are going to install it. I have installed it before, so please install it. After installing it, you are going to see about the project explorer. Now I'm going to create a class. Okay, in this class, while you are creating a class, you are getting this pom.xml page or pom.xml file. Here you have only the three types of dependencies here. Which one is three normal things. Which one is Selenium first, and then the Apache commons.io dependency second. Then we are going to the normal. There is two dependencies are the same which we are using in the Selenium automation. First one is comments.io and second one is Selenium. So now we are going to install, or now we are going to cut, copy and paste the dependency of TestNG framework, which is here. I'm going to mention it in our description. You can also download it and use it for your Selenium automation. So this is the TestNG framework dependency, and another one is the J commander. J commander is also the another thing which we are going to use here, because it is the dependency we are going to use it in TestNG. After installing, you just use the Control S, save this on.xml file, then you can create a new file here. Okay, sorry. Go other, then going to the TestNG class. I'm going to create a no test here. Okay, once it was opened, it was already in the test class, so just cancel it. Now I'm going to do the simplest process of annotations which you are using in the TestNG. So let's try it out. We are having so much of annotations here. First one is before suit. Here you can see, yeah, it is a before suit, and then the method which is test1. Okay, my dimension is test1. This is the simplest method. Just we are typing test1. Okay, now I'm going to put that before twist annotations. Just I'm going to copy this one, then I'm going to paste it here, which is test2, right? These two and 1 and 2. Okay, next I'm going to do the before class first. These are annotations we are using in the TestNG, so nothing worried about it. I will give the description below. You can see what are the tests, or what are the methods we are using, or what are the annotations we are using in this program. So nothing worried about it. And then I'm going to introduce the new annotation here, which is before method. Then I'm going to copy this one. Just I'm going to paste the same thing here, which is test4. Okay, next I'm going to give the test class in the TestNG. This is test5. Okay, now I'm going to change it here also. Now we are going to do the simple thing. Here we are giving the before method, before class, before test, and before suit. Now we are giving the after method and after class and after test and after suit. So just copy the same thing, and we are going to do this after method. After method is 6, right? Okay, 6, and then after class. Okay, after class then I'm going to introduce the new annotation, which is after test. Yeah, this is after test, which is 8, right? Okay, 8. Then I'm going to introduce a new annotation, which is the last one, which is after suit. This is a common or this is a order thing to execute the test in correct way. You are using it. Okay, now I'm going to run those tests. Okay, just giving this run button. You have see some of the logging or reporting information here. What are the all tests? Yeah, here the first test is passed, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. All the tests have been passed. Okay, this is the normal method, and this is the correct way to declare or introduce the methods or introduce the annotations here. And the TestNG integrates seamlessly with the popular build tools and continuous integration servers such as Maven and Jenkins and Bamboo. These integrations enables automated text execution as a part of a pipeline, ensuring that the tests are executed consistently and reliably with each code change. Okay, I'm just giving this business logic to execute how these tests are passed quickly. So here we can introduce more or many methods in this business logic in our next videos. You can check the next videos in how we are using the TestNG framework in Selenium Automation, and why we are using Selenium in the Selenium Automation for the TestNG. TestNG is a software testing primarily to facilitate the automation of test cases and management of the test suites. Okay, here's some of the test cases, which is before method and after method, before class and after class, which is the commonly used annotations in the TestNG. Okay, and why we are using TestNG means we are it is easy to grouping and prioritizing test. TestNG allows you to group a related test together using this test annotations and groups attribute, and the groups attributes are in the next videos. You can see this enables you to run the specific group test selectively, and you can also prioritize the methods as by using this priority method. Also here there is a priority method also available there. Binding priority, here you can see here there are so much of priorities are available here, so you can see the priority annotations which is using the TestNG. The next videos, the following videos, TestNG executes the test methods in the ascending order of priority. The lower priority values executed first, and running test in the TestNG. Once you are written your test cases, you can run them using the TestNG. You can run test from your IDE by right clicking the text class or your method, selecting the option run the TestNG. Here you can find the debugging options and run options here in the test class or in the test annotations here. Okay, now analyzing the test results, you can see here you can analyze what the tests have been passed, how many tests have been passed and how many tests have been failed. Here you can report it easily. After running a test, TestNG generates a detailed test reports that will provide you information about your test execution. Here you can see the detailed report of your test execution, including the pass and fail status of each test method and execution timing and error messages, stack traces. Also, you can view these reports in your IDE. You can generate the HTML reports for more comprehensive analysis using tools like Maven and a Surefire report plugin or an TestNG built-in report generation capabilities. Okay, it will be in the following videos, so you need to know more about TestNG framework, Selenium Automation tool, and how we are testing the application through the TestNG framework. It will be available more in the following videos of TestNG, so please watch it and do the best for your Selenium Automation career and for the testing career. Thank you for watching, guys, and please give me a like or share and subscribe my channel LimitlessCoder, and thank you for watching, guys.